English Learning with Neil Sir. Improve your reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills. Daily English conversation using questions and answers. Improve your English speaking now. Let's begin. Are you coming today?
Yes, I am coming.
May I speak with Gary?
Sorry, he's not here at this moment.
Are you tired?
No, I am not tired.
Do you have time now?
Yes, I'm free now.
What time will you come?
Around 10 a.m.
Will you come to pick me?
At what time?
Did you enjoy the party?
Oh, yes, I enjoyed myself.
Excuse me, what time is it now?
It's 4 p.m.
Do you need any help?
No thanks, I will ask if needed.
Do you hang out with your friends?
Not all the time, sometimes.
How are you?
I am very well, thank you.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't have an appointment.
How's your family?
Everyone's well.
What do you want to eat?
A mini meal would be fine.
How tall are you?
I am 6 feet tall.
Did you have lunch?
Yes, I did.
Do you like this one?
I don't think so.
How long have you been living here?
It's been a month now.
How are you feeling now?
I am feeling much better now.
Excuse me, is the seat taken?
No, it isn't.
How was your day?
I had a great day.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Is it a holiday tomorrow?
Yes, it's a public holiday.
Are you tired of driving?
Almost a bit tired now.
May I use your pen, please?
Sure, you can use it.
How may I help you?
I am looking to buy a new dress.
What can I do for you?
I need a cup of coffee.
Hi, anything new?
Nothing special. What about you?
What are you looking for?
I am trying to find my keys.
How about this one?
Should I try it on?
Could we go out and have lunch today?
Not today. I am a bit busy.
Where are you going now?
I need to see a doctor.
What is your phone number?
My number is 8877665544.
How much is it?
It's $200.
Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, ask him to call me back.
Have you seen the doctor?
Not yet, maybe this evening.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10 p.m.
Are you ready for tomorrow?
I guess so.
Where do you study?
I study at the university.
I really appreciate your help.
No problem, just ask.
Do you need help packing?
No, I think I can manage.
My bus arrived late.
That doesn't sound good.
Where are you going?
I may go shopping.
What's your favorite food?
I like fast food.
What brings you here?
I am looking for Mr. Smith.
Would you come along?
I would love to, but I have some work to complete.
What do you like to play?
I love playing cricket.
Let's order something different.
Sounds good.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I got your message.
What does your brother do?
He is studying law.